Once the student is officially ready to sign up, the student must be enrolled. From the CRM, the student's profile can be accessed to perform the enrollment. Enrollment is a very important concept in Noto because it allows the instructor to schedule the student and allows billing to be automated. And enrollment is really the process of assigning a student to a particular instructor with a specific payment plan and rate. In order to enroll, click Enroll Member on the student's profile. The appropriate service and payment plan are then selected. For now, a pay-as-you-go plan and the designated instructor can be selected. If the schedule is known, the student can be put on the schedule immediately by selecting a recurring schedule or a one-time event. Alternatively, enroll without scheduling can be clicked to assign the student and allow them to be scheduled at a later time. Once this process is completed, the enrollment is visible on the student's profile. Then, navigating to the calendar view to create an event will show that enrollment option populate. Any sessions created under this enrollment will have automatic billing based on the selected plan. Now, to see what this looks like from the instructor's point of view, let's look at the instructor portal. The instructor portal has a more limited view versus the admin portal. On the instructor portal, instructors can only see the students assigned to them as part of an enrollment. From the instructor's calendar, the same limited view applies when creating a session. They're only able to select from the students assigned to them. Again, the enrollment option automatically comes up, allowing the student to be scheduled.